What a great thing to do all of a sudden. It's been an edgy, tense day of deliveries. It's been good, but not real relaxing at all. And thought I'd stop at the picnic area here in SOMERS, and I have found myself going through time, back through time, as if maybe in a Chronicles of Narnia sort of way. Stepped into the wardrobe closet and suddenly feel like I'm in junior high, skipping school, or, right off the bus with my math book and my bird books, going out for a saunter back on Whidbey Island. So we're about the same latitude, so it's understandable that there'd be some familiarity here, some correlation. Oh my God, that's such a long, old, I guess, a fishing dock or a pier to tie the boats up. Houseboat there. Around the corner there, around the bend, is a marina, probably called the SOMERS Marina, I'm guessing. And all along the beach is remnants, relics of a more industrial time. Must be some kind of log yard, industrial, random equipment all left behind, broken free. Storms have brought it across the largest lake, freshwater, west of the Mississippi River. I'm at that lake now. For public service announcements, I would say this is a good one. As you're walking along these planks of wood, it's always fun to walk along wood and balance and, get out of the dirt. But don't trip, don't get distracted by the flathead monster or a pretty gal or guy, because you could impale yourself. Very industrial. So SOMERS is spelled SOMERS, and it's between Lakeside and South Kalispell, up in the northwest corner of Montana, right on the north end of the massive Flathead Lake. Just beware of the monster here. Probably kidding. But when it's foggy, dark, cold all winter, you start to think maybe you've seen the neck, the silhouette of the neck or the shadow of the neck just kind of going through the fog. At least I have. So if you need a new place to birdwatch or saunter with your animal, with yourself, with your thoughts, with your girlfriend, wife, or if I'm talking to a lady, the hubby, the boyfriend, the dog, the horse, whatever. I'm not sure they'd let you have a horse here, though nobody's around to tell you no. This is a nice place to explore. And there's the modern marina. To give you context, that's the famous landmark with the name SOMERS on it, the water tower. Behind it, I think just a little to the north of that, there's a Slider's hardware store, a couple restaurants, Airbnbs, no doubt. And way in the distance, you got the Mission Range, I believe. And boats coming in today. Islands. The lake's so big, it's got islands. Islands in the lake. Starting here, I would say metal detecting could be kind of fun. Bill and Stuart, Brett, other folks out there who like that kind of a hobby. The lake level has really been dropping quickly. It never was super high this year. So a month or two from now will be even better. It'll go way out in there. You can find your treasures or just a bunch of old remnants of cable and hooks and nails and things from the logging days, fishing days. But that can be pretty fun. Now we're up at the place where the metal detector person could find rings, jewelry, coins, and so forth by the picnic area. But sunbathing can be had here. Oh, lest I forget, you can swim here too. It's a swimming beach. Real cold right now, you'd need a wetsuit. This thing about Somers Beach that's really fun is that it's so local. I've been traveling a bit further afield lately. I was in the Eureka, Humboldt County part of California last week. It was really cool. And I've noticed I'm getting restless to do the next big thing, which I believe will be Rochester, Niagara Falls, New York area. But that's a ways to go, so unless I get out of this car and saunter through a marsh or through a woodland or near a river or lake, you know, where I've never actually spent quality time. And this little beach in Somers was like a deep, in-depth experience, you know, compared to just driving around delivering food. So take like a little miniature Sabbath hour out of the delivery day and give some real attention to some of the amazing little spots around this incredible destination county called Flathead County. I'm going to have no trouble waiting for the New York trip. Hey there, hope you enjoyed that video. Learned something about Somers Beach. Again, Somers is halfway in between South Kalispell and Lakeside, Montana, just off the highway. The next video about Somers will be on their rail trail. If you don't think a rail trail is really amazingly exciting, you're gonna find out the real truth. And by the way, there's a mysterious statue of the Mother Mary on a steep rock alongside the trail that you can look for when I'm doing the video. I think you'll like that. Whatever you believe or don't believe, it's comforting to have a statue of Mother Mary as you're hiking along that you're not expecting to see. Anyway, please hit like, subscribe, leave a comment or two. Bless you. Thanks a lot.